up, YouTube? Welcome to another day at Cake. Today we have the 300 on the lift, and Easton's working on it, so you know it's gonna be there all day.
Good morning, guys and girls. This is another day at Cake.
You funny. Another day of cake.
Do we have to do this every time? Fine. It's another day at Cake. Did you still cone and boots when you put them in? They have a great.
When you get them headers off, you gotta dance. When you get them headers off, you gotta dance.
Torque corrosion. So this one breaks the rust down. This stuff eats it.
You wanna get your bolts off? PB Blaster. And what was the other one?
PB Blaster and Kimball Midwest Torque.
Kimball, Midwest Torque, whatever. Mix them two. It's eating my crop.
Shredded.
Yeah, he really did used to be shredded.
Nah, I look like got old man dad bod and stuff. That's right.
And he had a head full of hair.
Yeah, believe it or not, he used to have hair. Y'all making fun of me for getting old and fat, man.
265?
That's right, Bo. Back in the day. It's been like 10, 15 years ago.
Now you jacking cars.
Now I'm jacking car. The car is jacked now.
It's leaving his baby. Look at the mamas. Oh. Hey, Hudson, look at it. Oh, no, wrong way, cuz. What the fuck? Jeez. Hudson, the animal whisperer. Hey, don't go on that road, boy. No, don't go on the road. Oh, baby. Oh, it's smoking. What's smoking? Go ahead. Yeah.
Got the camo caddy wagon. We got the Hemi in it. It's about to go boom, boom, boom. When I find the key.
Why are you standing back there? Woo!
YouTube guy.
Yeah.
Bro, you ready? Your whole life's about to change. You're gonna hate yourself doing it.
What you think this thing about to do?
Oh, you said rumble is dead? Bro, there's a cop right behind you.
Is that a radiator?
Probably.
That problem you have when you got horsepower, son.
Ground shaking.
Yeah. That problem you have when you got horsepower, son.
You want some car to look like this? Bring it to the bakery. The V12 Audi. They ain't got a V12 in it. He is not one of them. He is not one of them. I'm all dirty. Y'all don't understand how excited I am because y'all know we've been trying to get the Chrysler back running for the longest. And man, I came to Cake and he gave me a moon tune, y'all. Bro, this build is gonna be so sick. She finally getting underneath that knife to get back where she needs to be. But I'm trying to tell you, man, we gonna have a note. Just wait. This only the beginning, bro. This thing is sick. Y'all gotta see this, bro. Like, y'all gotta hear this thing in person. It is so loud. For a 5.7, I didn't think a 5.7 could sound like this, but this thing is so freaking mean, bro. I love this car. I literally get a thrill.
Hey, brother. I'm kind of feeling bad, so I brought some of your tire back to you. It's the least I could do. Hold on, we can talk in just a minute. I'm about to talk to you face to face. All right, now, what you got to say about me?
You're still short.
Hold on. What's up today?
Now you dunking.
Anyways, back to reality. What's up
today, man?
Today, we got a full tune-up, meaning all 8 spark plugs, all 8 spark plug wires, distributor cap, and fuel pump and air filter.
First gear and the bottom of second gear tuned now.
So you had to go through and individually tune.
Kinda. Tuning's odd. With this car, it's really odd. So like, you'll feel when you hit second gear, you'll be like, damn. You feel second gear pull you back. That's it though. I gotta tune the rest of it.
I see what you're talking about through second gear now.
That thing got mad, man.
You wouldn't think it'd be 485.
That's it right there. You hear that? Look, 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 look.
I know what's wrong with it.
Hey!
Hey, put the brake box on it now. Ladies and gentlemen, I got this 450,000 horsepower twin cam Lotus here. She's a mean machine. I'm gonna crank this thing up. The horsepower is gonna blow Robinson right off his feet. It's gonna go blah, 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 blah.
brakes?
But yeah, son, that's why it's called brake parts cleaner. I mean, come on.
How you get in the hole without spilling it?
Back in my day, I had to pour Daddy's shine. I never dripped a drop on the ground, son. Ernie, think fast. Ernie, think fast. What is the picture of you and somebody else?
Girl. Older lady.
It's all walking around like this.
And you can't see it either. You can't see it.
Pull your shirt up.
No way.
Pull your arms up. Hold his arms up. Don't let it. Here, come out here so I can really. Alright.
That shit is not gonna hurt, bro.
Alright, Ethan, hold his arms up. Alright, you ready? You ready?
We have the same core. It's not gonna hurt. It will not hurt.
Did we hear noise on these?
I did. Yeah. I think it'll ricochet back. You don't pop him in the face.
You ain't right. Who's next? Ernie, you next.
Ernie.
This is for the big. I gotta go.
Get that, get back.
Y'all, my ass is on fire, bro. Alright, you ready?
Are we on my skin or just? Skin.
That's what I did. Come on now. Don't be dropping them though. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
God, yeah, go. All right.
You ready?
You gotta let it sit.
Are you ready?
You gotta let it sit. And let it sit. Let it marinate. Yeah.
Let me
Let
tell
it
you.
marinate.
I thought Ernie read. We play this game called Brake Cleaner. And basically it's where if you ain't working, you get sprayed. But penalties are brake clean straight to the ass crack. It's bad. Like I'm on fire right now. I'm trying not to crack. How you boys feeling right about now? Hudson doesn't look so well.
Starting to hit. Oh, I'm just thinking about golfing. I gotta save the city.
Video?
Burn. What you got today?
Every time I was popping the cap a while ago, it was whoosh. Good.
in my head, bro.
Ow! How did I get hit? What car is he in? You motherfucker! Right, no. What car is he in? Every one of them's bounced off there.